In this video I'll run through how to use the reference option for the rotate command. We got this star here, and we want 2 points of the star to be aligned with this line here. We could use our dimension command and dimension between a horizontal line and this line to find out what the angle is, and then write that number down and then use that number in the rotate command. Or the reference option under rotate makes that a little bit easier. So we'll start our rotate command, select the object that we want to rotate, hit enter. Base point is going to be essentially what we want to rotate the object to. So we're going to choose this point here. And now down at the bottom we're going to do R for reference. So you can click on this or press R on your keyboard. And then 2 points that you want to rotate this to. So I'm going to choose this endpoint here and this endpoint here. And then you give it what we want to rotate it to. So we're basically rotating to this endpoint up here. Choose that and keep original. I'll just say yes for now. And now those 2 points are aligned with this line here. So that's one scenario. Other scenario would be if you're rotating this around a center point here. So let me just draw a line from the centroid of this object. Just draw it up here. And we've got a line at some unknown angle off to here. So we want to rotate the apex of the star here to this angle here. Again, we can do our rotate command, select the object that we want to rotate, hit enter. Base point, in this case here, it's the end of these lines, because we're again using this as our reference line, so that's what it's looking for. And then specify angle, click on, press R on your keyboard or click on reference, and we click from, do right click, and you can do endpoint of here to endpoint of here, and that is being rotated to then endpoint of here. So that's where we started, and that's where we've ended up. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.